Paano kung 65 years old ka na pero gusto mo pa magtrabaho? Answer, well sir or ma'am, napaka-workaholic mo naman. 65 years old po ay compulsory retirement age na yan or mandatory retirement age. It's time to retire po. Rest ka na po. Kasi in the first place, may pension ka na, sir or ma'am. Ang kagandahan ng pension, walang tax deduction at wala nang mga other deduction. Yun po. So, magtrabaho ka na lang, sir or ma'am, sa sarili mong negosyo or sa bahay ka na lang. So, wag na po. Tama na po yung service mo sa company. Sobra na po yan. Kung 65 years old ka na, it's time to enjoy your retirement days. Right? So, time to family naman, sir or ma'am. Time for good health. Time for long life. Time for travel. Time for happiness. And most importantly, time to God. Yun po. Alright, so yan po ang personal advice ko sa inyo, sir or ma'am. Alright, please like, share this video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you, God bless, and 2 thumbs up.